Of Mallikarjunas, I am explaining about the first come first serve CPU scheduling, the content introduction, what is FCFS and characteristics working of FCFS and implementation and output advantages and disadvantages, applications and summary. Introduction to FCFS. FCFS full form is first come first serve. The FCFS simplest CPU scheduling algorithm used in operating system. The process are executed in order they arrive. It is work like a FIFO, first in first out in queue. The process that arrive first get the CPU first. How FCFS work? All incoming process are placed in a ready queue. The CPU picks the first process in the queue. The process run in until the finishes a non-primitive. The next process get the CPU and so on. Implementation. Taking an example of process P1 and P2 and P3, the arrival time is 0, 1, 2 and burst time is 4, 3, 2. We can make the Gantt chart with the arrival time. First 0 is the P1 arrival time. That's why taking an P1 first as the P1 process to scheduling in Gantt chart. Next P2 is the arrival time 1 is, that's why taking an P2, and P3 is the arrival time is 2. After the P3 is coming the output of a P1, P2 and P3. The completion time of P1 is 4 and completion time of an P2 is 7. Completion time of an P3 is 9, and the finding a turnaround time is formula is completion time minus arrival time. Waiting time is finding a formula is turnaround time minus burst time. CT means completion time. Finding an average time is adding an process of waiting time 0.35 divided by 3 is average is 2.67. Finding a turnaround time is adding the turnaround time 4 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3. The answer is 5.67 milliseconds. Advantages: easy to use and easy to implement and good for the batch jobs. Low overhead. Disadvantages: can we affect support short process bit behind the long process. Needs the high waiting time. Applications: batch system, embedded system, and sequence task, OS task. We can run the code in the Java compiler using an Java compiler, and for entering the manually entering the numbers, you use the Java util scanner, and array list of an arrival time and burst time and completion time and turnaround time and waiting time. We can add the data into the array list. We can compare the processes and make an decision. The output of the program is for entering the process of 3 and enter the arrival time and burst time. After the process 2, arrival time and burst time, and after P3 arrival time and brush time entering the 3. And the finding an average time and turnaround time, we can see the Gantt chart and output of an completion time CT